welcome back. So today is August 22nd, day 4 after transfer. I'm feeling pretty good. So the day of transfer, there's actually 3 girls that transferred the same day in the same clinic at the same doctor as me, but in total there was actually 4 girls who all transferred the same day. And the agency that I'm with put us all in like a Facebook group chat. So we've all been having the exact same symptoms, which is kind of cool actually, so we can all kind of talk about it. So we've all been having like cramping for the entire day afterwards, and then like the next day or two it's been crampy here and there, but it's not too bad, it's all manageable. So those are all good signs. So cramping is a sign that the baby is burrowing in there, so good signs is a good thing. We're also the shots are a little bit sore, so we're putting, I discovered for the shots that if you put a heating pad on the area for about an hour, at least that's the minimum time I've done it. I'm sure you can do it for much less than that if you don't have the time, but I'm here in quarantine with nothing else to do, so I sat with a heating pad for the last 2 nights with a heating pad on my bum for an hour before I do my shot, and I don't even feel it, so it's super cool. This is a video where I'm totally rambling, so I'm sorry. My days so far, this is my 3rd day in quarantine, so my days my days so far have been spent literally sitting here on my behind watching television. Right now I'm watching Lucifer, it's the new season, and I've been knitting, and that's probably it. Or I will lay in bed when I wake up for about an hour and read a book, read a couple chapters in my book. But yeah, that's pretty much what my days consist of right now. If you want a tour, I will give you a quick tour real quick, so just hold on one second. So we walk in the door and this is pretty much it. I actually got upgraded to a full bedroom there, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, you walk in to your left here, there is a super cute little kitchenette. I do not use the dishwasher because it's just me, so I got hubby to buy me some soap so I can just hand wash those. This nice comfy couch. This is my super awesome new tripod I just got for filming. The knitting I've been doing, I'm remaking my son's blanket. It took me 3 years to make it, my first time ever, and it was absolutely terrible, so I spent like a week ripping it apart to redo it while I'm in quarantine. Anyways, I will continue the tour, sorry. Again, it's a blabbering video. That's my show I'm watching right now. I love it. My bed. This is my special blankie I got actually after I had the twins, and I have it with me all the time, everywhere. My book I'm reading. Yes, I'm a twihard, don't judge. I got a TV in here too, which is nice. I actually haven't watched TV in the bedroom yet. These mirrors. This mirror is pretty cool actually because I can find the light. Look, there's a light behind it. That's my sink, my bathroom. So yeah, that's pretty much the tour. Hope you enjoy it. So that is the room tour. I hope that you have liked it. I sure do, because it's a cute little apartment for just me. So pretty much that's it, a video. Oh, one more thing. Tomorrow will be day 5 after transfer, so my IFs and I will be having a video chat where I will be taking my very first pregnancy test. I'm super excited to see what the results are going to be, and so probably on a day 6 or day 7, I'm going to say day 6, I will be taking the YouTube video where I will take a pregnancy test and show the whole thing for you guys so you can see the results, and I will also tell you the results that we had with my IFs and all of that fun stuff. So tomorrow I will be 3 weeks and 2 days, 3 days, something like that. So this is so exciting. Stay tuned to find out what happens with my pregnancy test day. Sorry, I'm a dork, I know, just having fun. Anyways, this is the end of the video, I promise. Hope you take care. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below if you happen to have any questions at all. I will do the best to answer them as always. I hope you have a great day, morning, evening, whatever time you're watching this, and take care. Bye.